Hey everyone, this is John, and today I want to talk about this new API I developed, which can basically convert a IUPAC name to a smiles notation and vice versa. What it really does, it uses the existing model that somebody else developed, specifically on converting the IUPAC nomenclature to a smiles notation. Somebody has just fed in a large chunk of data and achieved over 90% of accuracy when it comes to prediction. And what I've done is I basically incorporated that into my search engine, my chemistry search engine, as well as organic playground, which features a drawing module basically where you can literally just draw and like make a molecule. You know what I'm saying? See that? Right? And I'm gonna basically walk you through how I developed it. So first of all, I was surfing the internet and I've stumbled upon this really interesting article about Stout. And Stout, what it does is obviously it's a transformer similar to Talk to the Subreddit chatbot I developed using Keybert. It's a transformer model based upon smell strings and IUPAC name conversion. I did not develop this model. Somebody else at university faculty developed this for us, and luckily it's all MIT, and the whole entire article about how they developed it, how it works, how they tokenize each word into different parts in order to actually feed into the neural network. It's all explained here, and it's really, really specific, and I like it a lot. Yeah, and it's really, really freaking good. They've basically predict. Yeah, so this is basically a result of the machine predicting what the molecule structure is. So what it can do is basically predict the molecule. So it can literally just draw the line diagram from the nomenclature, which is usually covered in the first year of organic chemistry a lot. So this can help students massively if we can actually make a ChatGPT regarding it. And it's available for free. It's MIT license. As I said before, it's on GitHub and MIT license again. So everybody can download it on Conda or using pip. So it runs on Cloud TPU and Cloud TPU. It's from Google, and it's pretty cool stuff. And I really wanted to just incorporate this into my website. So I just made a little Python wrapper, just REST API using Fast API, real quick. I containerized it using Docker, as usual, the usual drill, and then finally I made this helper server that is running on my DigitalOcean VPS. And it's really simple. I can do API if I want to convert smiles to IUPAC. I can do this, and I can enter the smiles string, as you can see. And what will happen is it's going to return a string of the IUPAC name. Or I can do IUPAC to smiles, and let's compare how closely they match up. So it's going to be IUPAC to smiles, and then let's go. Boom, boom, boom. I'm actually so hyped. It's kind of slow, I'm not gonna lie, but it does work. It does work so well, and that's the caveat. It just works like a charm, just like how ChatGPT is, and it's all based upon the machine learning trained data. And as you can see, this thing also works really well. So this thing basically does two operations. It first converts this line diagram, which is basically just X and Y coordinates upon this canvas, into a smiles standard string. And second of all, what it does is it basically makes it into a IUPAC notation. See that? Propane, using the API I created. So 2 APIs are running in the background, and it all works really well. By the way, the smiles notation, by the way, it's converted from JSON using OpenBabel. Yeah, the thing I also developed is OpenBabel API, and you can see the application. Give me one sec. I'll show you the code real quick. So this is it. You go to the OpenBabel section. Yeah, so currently you can do 100 per minute, but it basically converts a JSON to a smiles notation. You can do ASCII format, you can do Mold2, you can do PDB, whatever you want, using the OpenBabel. Again, it's a wrapper, it's a Python wrapper that runs on web server, which is great. So you can access from anywhere, anywhere you want. So yeah, it's just this clean user interface, just a little website I created, it's pretty cool. Yeah, you can do this as well. You can see all the information pulled directly from the PubChem database. You can see the smiles from here as well. So yeah, that was it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and please check out my website, ElectronVisual.org. I repeat, ElectronVisual.org, or alternatively, you can check out my iOS app that has been updated quite recently. It's called Atomizer AR, available on Mac, iPad, and iPhone. And it basically visualizes atomic orbitals as well as molecular orbitals. All the quantum mechanics stuff, DFT calculations, blah blah blah. So please check that out. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. See you again.